What's on your mind?
What's on your mind?
What's on your mind? Come on, yeah. No, no, no. Come on, baby. I've been watching you, watching me, and I know you like what you see. If you can, you be what I need. Come and set me free. You got that look in your eyes, like you wanna give it a try. You wanna slide to your right. So what's really on your mind? I see you standing over there, thoughts running while you stare. You never seen something this rare, so you gotta handle it with care. You say you wanna treat me, but it takes more to keep me. You gotta be there mentally to show that you're really into me. I don't play around, I know what I need. If you don't understand, then leave me be. If it's not real, it won't work. I'd rather hear the truth even if it hurts. Just keep moving with your search. If you can't respect what I'm worth.
What's on your I've been watching you and you know about it. Once I give it to you, you can't go without it. When I tell you something, you should never doubt it. I won't make a move unless you allow it. You got it going on and you know you bad. I'm trying to give you something that you never had, but I'ma just play it smooth and show you I can keep it cool. So what's the move?
Don't get me confused with those other girls you talk to. If you wanna be cool, show respect and don't be rude. What you plan to do if I let you make a move? Be careful what you choose. Pick the wrong choice and you lose. I don't play around, I know what I need. I know what I need. If you don't understand, then leave me be. Hear the truth even if it hurts. Just keep moving with your search. If you can't respect what I'm worth. I've been watching you, watching me, and I know you like what you see. If you can, you be what I need. Come and set me free. You got that look in your eye, give it a try. If you wanna slide to your right. So what's really on your mind?
When I take my shot, I know it's worth it. It's not only your body, your mind is perfect. You're beautiful inside and on the surface. When I saw you, I stopped searching. I can be everything you wanna need. Just give me a chance and you'll see. I can show you things you wouldn't believe.
The goal is to make you happy and I'll succeed. I don't play around, I know what I need. If you don't understand, then leave me be. It's not real, it won't work. I'd rather hear the truth even if it hurts. Just keep moving with your search. If you can't respect what I'm watching you, watching me, and I know you like what you see. If you can be what I need, come and set me free. You got that look in your eye, give it a try. You wanna slide to your right. So what's really on your mind? Watching me, I've been watching you, and I like what you see, and I know you. Can you be what I need? Come and set me free. You got that look in your eye, you wanna give it a try. You wanna slide to your right. So what's really on your mind? What's on your